Welcome to the enchanting city of Athens, where ancient history and modern charm collide to create a captivating journey through time. Join us as we explore Athens' iconic landmarks, rich cultural heritage, and the unique experiences that make the city a timeless treasure. Our adventure begins amidst the captivating juxtaposition of Athens' ancient past and contemporary present. Immerse yourself in the grandeur of historic sites, embrace the energy of local markets, and wander through vibrant streets. Behold the iconic Acropolis, an emblem of Athens' cultural significance and architectural brilliance. Discover the majestic Parthenon that stands as a testament to Greece's ancient glory. Step into Athens' charming neighborhoods, each exuding its own character. Traverse the labyrinthine alleys of Plaka, and immerse yourself in the eclectic atmosphere of Monastiraki. Indulge your senses in the flavors of Greek cuisine, from mouth-watering souvlaki to delectable baklava. Dive into Athens' gastronomic delights that celebrate the essence of Greece. Immerse yourself in Athens' cultural tapestry, where museums, galleries, and theaters showcase the city's artistic evolution through the ages. Experience Athens' contemporary allure as you explore its modern attractions and embrace the city's vibrant nightlife. From trendy cafes to rooftop bars, Athens comes alive after dark. As the sun sets, Athens' skyline transforms into a breathtaking panorama of lights. Embodying the city's timeless allure. Join us in celebrating the magic of Athens, a city that echoes with history and inspiration. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a food lover, an art connoisseur, or simply seeking cultural exploration, Athens promises an unforgettable journey. Hit that like button, share the adventure with fellow explorers, and subscribe for more captivating travel content.